Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to buy a hosting plan from GoDaddy, right? As you can see, I am into GoDaddy and I am already signed in into my GoDaddy account. You can search for GoDaddy on Google and can open the first website and then simply click over here and sign in your GoDaddy account, right? After then you will land upon the GoDaddy homepage, right? And here we get an option of hosting in the header menu, right? Here you need to click and we want to purchase the web hosting, so we will select the web hosting. And here when we scroll, there are two types of plan: standard performance plan and the higher performance plan. And when we scroll down in the standard performance plan, there are four kinds of plan, right? So if you are running a small business and you are building a website for the first time, then I would recommend you to start with the web hosting deluxe plan. Why so? Because here you get a free domain name, free email, right? And also free unlimited SSL for all your website. What does this means? That you are going to get the SSL certificate for free for the whole lifetime of this hosting, whereas in this plan also you are getting free domain name, free email ID, but the SSL certificate is free for 1 year, right? From the second year onwards you are going to pay the amount of SSL certificate separately, and this plan is going to cost you more costlier in comparison to this plan from the second year. So don't go with the second plan. I would recommend you to go with the third plan, because from might be in the first year it is more costlier than web hosting economy, but from the second year onwards it would be more cheaper than the second plan, that is of web hosting economy plan, right? So I would suggest you to start with web hosting deluxe plan, as here you also get a good storage of 50 GB, right? I'm not suggesting you for my personal benefit. No matter you purchase from somewhere else, there is no need to purchase this particular hosting plan using my suggested link in the video description. You can purchase it directly also, right? But I would recommend you to start with the third hosting plan, right? So that your website will also load faster, right? Going with the first plan is not a good decision, right? Because here we are not getting the free domain name for the first year, neither a free email for the 1 month, and the SSL certificate are also not present, right? So we need to purchase SSL certificate separately in this plan, domain name separately in this plan, and also a professional email separately in this plan. So in the first year itself it will cost you higher, right? So I would not suggest you the first plan, although the hosting price is quite low, but when you purchase all these collectively, then it would cost you higher, right? So I would not suggest you to go with this hosting plan. You can either go with the web hosting economy and web hosting deluxe. If you are creating a website for 1 year term only, then I would suggest you this one, right? But if you are looking for a longer vision, if you are looking for lots of years to run that particular website, then I would suggest you this one, web hosting deluxe. It would be much cheaper, right? And if we talk about the web hosting ultimate plan, it is also a good plan, but in that case when you are running a multiple websites, right? So apart from this, if you can go in the high performance plan, then I would suggest you to go with the high performance plan. As here you can see, we can connect 50 domain names with this hosting plan and we can create 50 websites. We need not to purchase like multiple hosting plans, right? And here you can build 100 website, 150 website, 200 websites, right? 100 GB storage, 200 GB storage, 300 GB and 400 GB storage. you are going to get 4 GB of RAM and 2 virtual CPUs over here, and 8 GB of RAM and 4 virtual CPUs over here, 16 GB RAM and 8 virtual CPUs here, 32 GB RAM and 16 virtual CPUs over here, right? And like in all, you are going to get the free domain name, free SSL, right? So if I talk about the standard performance plan here, in the web hosting economy, you can connect a single domain with this hosting, right? Whereas in the web hosting deluxe, if you plan for 2 or 3 websites, then this plan suits you the best, because you can connect like 10 domain names with this single hosting plan. For example, if you are creating 3 websites, right? If you want 3 websites of your like different businesses, then you need not to like buy 3 domains and buy 3 hosting plans. No, this is not like that. You can purchase a single hosting plan and you can connect those 3 domains with that hosting plan, right? Because it supports to connect with 10 domain names. You can build 10 websites on this hosting plan, right? So this is the benefit of this hosting plan. So I'm going to select this, and as I told you earlier, that if you purchase hosting plan and domain name together, then automatically the domain name would become free, right? Okay, so you can see like the domain name price has been to nil, right? Because I'm purchasing this hosting plan, and this hosting plan comes with a free domain name, right? So you can purchase these both together, and you are going to get SSL also in this, and a free professional email for 1 month term only, right? After 1 month you can like purchase the professional email for a year, like it is on and around, I guess, like 1500 to 2000 bucks a year, right? So let's discuss this first. Now you just need to click on continue shopping, and then you can enter your net banking, debit card, credit card, or UPI credentials, and then you can simply purchase this hosting plan. If you want to purchase a good hosting plan from GoDaddy, then I have mentioned the GoDaddy link in my video description. You can purchase it from there as well. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.